Okay, children. In our previous class, we have started the first lesson in second semester, no? History lesson, it is freedom movement. So far we have discussed about birth of Indian National Congress, and also we have discussed about four important associations which were established before this Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress, in short, we can call it INC. All the three letters should be written in capital, right? Then we have learnt about Vernacular Press Act passed by Lord Lytton to curb the independence of Indian press. Vernacular means a local language. I suppose you all remember this. Then we have discussed about the founder of Indian National Congress, then the first chairperson, then we have learnt about moderates, no moderates and radicals. So on the basis of opinion, difference of opinion on the basis of ideologies practiced by different leaders, leaders can be grouped into two types. One is moderates and another one is radicals. We have learnt about moderates and also we have started our discussion about radicals. No, some great moderate leaders, about them we have discussed. Then we have also discussed about wealth drain theory. So you remember, no, the meaning of drain. Drain means what, children? Soorಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುವಂತದ್ದು. How the wealth of India drained to England. Dadabhai Nauroji's philosophy it was the principle, it was the theory advocated by Dadabhai Nauroji, and also it was supported by R.C. Dutt, Ramesh Chandra Dutt. You have seen, no, children, yesterday. Then afterwards we have discussed about radicals, the people who opposed the soft stance of moderates towards the British government. So those people were called radicals. They called the moderates political beggars. This you have to remember, political beggars. So children, let me ask you a few questions so that we can revise what we have learned in our previous period. So today, first I will start with Shantika. Shantika, in which year Indian National Congress was established?
In 1885.
Yes, the correct answer is 1885. Then can Sumuk tell me the four associations, four important institutions or organizations which were built before Indian National Congress? How to remember them? I have told the way to remember them.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, tell me the four institutions.
Indian Association,
Exactly.
All Indian Association, the Hindu Mela,
Yes.
and Purna
Swaraj.
Sarvajanik Sabha.
Yes, very good. So two are very easy to remember. No, Indian Association, All Indian Association. So if you remember Indian Association, you can add all before Indian Association and another organization will be there. Indian Association, All Indian Association, Pune Swarajya Sabha, the Hindu Mela. Four important organizations were there before Indian National Congress. Now, I'll go to Pratham Pandit. Who was the founder of Indian National Congress? Pratham Pandit, founder of INC. Pratham, have you forgotten his name? Yeah.
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Subhash Chandra Bose, that is INA, Indian National Army. ನಿನ್ನೆ ನಾವು ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೋಸ್ ಸುದ್ದಿನೇ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾರಾಯ. INA.
AOU.
Okay. It is AOU. Shaman, can you take yes, please take the name of founder of Indian National Congress.
AOU.
AOU is the correct answer. Shaman, please tell me who was the first president of Indian National Congress?
W.C. Banerjee.
Very good. It was W.C. Banerjee. Right answer. Okay. Then, can you tell me some important... Okay, thank you, Shaman. So now I will take answer from Nikhil Naik. Nikhil Naik, can you tell me the names of a few important moderate leaders? Moderate leaders. Nikhil Naik, will you talk to me? He has taken decision. Okay, I will not talk to Divya Mataji at any cost. ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಅಣ್ಣ ನೀನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಪ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೆ ಶಾಲೆಗಾರು ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ಮೈಕ್ರೋಫೋನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ earphone. So Nikhil has some problem with earphone. So Bhuvana, please tell me the names of a few leaders, moderate leaders. Can Bhuvana speak to me? Okay. Then I'll take answer from Darshan Hegde. Darshan Hegde? Oh, your network is slow there. Otherwise, I'll take answer from, yes, who will tell me the answer? Anish will do.
Yes, Mataji.
Moderates.
WC Banerjee, Surendranath Banerjee, MG Ranade,
Yes.
Dadabhai Naoroji,
Very good.
Gopal Krishna Gokhale.
Very good. Gopal Krishna Gokhale was the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi ji. MG Ranade was the prominent leader of Prarthana Samaj. WC Banerjee and Surendranath Banerjee were brothers. Dadabhai Naoroji, he was a very great person. He criticized the economic policy of British in India. He was the first Asian to be elected to British Parliament, and he was popular as what children? The grand old man of India. The grand old man of India he was popular as, and he propagated which theory? Wealth drain theory. With the help of statistics, he explained how did Indian wealth, drain to England. See, before the British came to our land, no children, that if we took the total GDP of the world, if we took total GDP of the world, children, India's contribution was 25%. See how great Indian land was, how India was economic, means how it was financially strong. 25% of world's GDP means quarter of world's GDP, it was given by India. But 1857 afterwards, after that what happened? Indian GDP, contribution of India to the GDP of the world, it reached 1.5%. See, where is 25%, where is 1.5%? And when we got independence, in the year 1947, at that time, India's contribution to the world GDP was just 3%, children. See, so with the help of all these statistics, Dadabhai Naoroji put forwarded wealth drain theory, and he was supported by R.C. Dutt, who published a book on this theory. So Dadabhai Naoroji, for his contribution, he became popular as the grand old man of India. Very good. You remember about all the leaders. Then next one is, what were the important features of moderates? What did they believe in? That we have discussed. So first of all, what did they believe? They believed in British administration and British justice. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಆಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಪಾಪ ನಮ್ದು ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೇಶ ಉಂಟು, ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೇಶ ಉಂಟು, ನಮ್ದು ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಉಂಟು, ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಸಬ್ರು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜನರ ಕಷ್ಟದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಬೇಕು, ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಬಿಲೀಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೂಮ್? ದ ಮಾಡರೇಟ್ಸ್. They always requested for children. They believed in prayers and requests. So constitutional framework, they decided to work within constitutional framework. They wanted constitutional development in India, and they just wanted representatives of India in the British legislature. That is all. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಹೇಳೋದಷ್ಟೇ ಇವ್ರ ಬೇಡಿಕೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. And they were ready to remain under British administration and British rule. They never opposed British rule. They just requested for representation in British legislature. ನಮ್ದೇನ್ legislature body ಇತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾನೂನು ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸಮಿತಿ ಏನಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ದು ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಹೇಳುವಂತದ್ದು ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. That is all. So that was the main difference between moderates and radicals. See, they consider, means they had got 4 important demands, children. Yesterday even though I have written these points on the board, I have missed this point. Okay, I didn't explain. So this is a 2 marks very important question for your examination. Very, very, very important. You should remember this. See, 4 points you have here. So what was their first request? Cutting down military expense. So British government used to spend lots of amount on military for strengthening their defense force. They spent lots of amount. That's why Indian moderates, they requested for cutting down of military expenditure, and it should be used for what, children? Development of industries in India. Industry should be developed in India. That was their request. And third demand of moderates, third demand was to provide good education to Indians. Indiadavರಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ನೀವು ಅಂತ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. And fourth one is poverty alleviation program. Okay, they requested the British government to organize some poverty eradication, poverty alleviation programs. So these were the demands of moderates. What were the demands of moderates? That will be one important 2 marks question. So now what you have understood, whatever question comes about this one, moderates, you should be able to write. They can ask you to write a brief note about moderates. Then you have to explain who were moderates, who were the great leaders of moderates. Then that Indian National Congress 1885 to 1905. It was called the age of, the era of moderates, the era of liberal nationalism. Then their features. Then you have to write about demands of moderates, and also you have to write about Dadabhai Naoroji's what, children? Wealth dream theory. Okay, so this is how you can expect many questions in this part. So demands of moderates, 2 marks important question. Industrial development, education for Indians, good education for Indians, poverty alleviation program, and fourth one is cutting down military expenditure. So these things we have discussed in our these things I have missed in yesterday's period. Remember this point. Okay, demands of moderates, very important 2 marks question for you. Then children, now we have started our discussion about radicals. No, can anybody tell me in which year the Bengal division took place? In which year Bengal division took place? Yes, Akshay. In which year Bengal division took place?
1905.
Yes, very good. Shaman?
1905.
Yes, 1905. Then again, yes, Nikhil Aregde?
1905.
1905 is the correct answer. Okay. Yes. Then, who divided Bengal? Who will tell me the answer? Name the Viceroy. Name the Governor General who divided Bengal. Yes, Siri.
Viceroy Lord Curzon.
Lord Curzon is the correct answer. Okay. So Lord Curzon. So what reason did he give for dividing Bengal? Rashmi, how did he justify division of Bengal? Lord Curzon.
To provide a good administration to Hindus and Muslims.
Yes. No. He didn't say like that, Mary. Okay. He never took names of Hindus and Muslims. He just told that Bengal is a big province. Okay. Bengal is a big province. To provide effective administration there, he divided Bengal into West Bengal and East Bengal. But the real reason, okay, was dividing the unity among Hindus and Muslims. Because, see, this Bengal was and it means it was the center of anti-British sentiments. Okay, it was the center of anti-British sentiments. So Bengal was the leader of freedom movement in India. Bengal was the leader of national freedom movement. Okay, that's why he wanted to divide the unity among Hindus and Muslims, but he couldn't say like that. No, he couldn't say openly about his divide and rule policy. That's why what did he tell? He told that Bengal is a large province, so that's why I have to give effective administration. No, it is big. It is a problem in giving effective administration in Bengal as it is a large province. That's why I will divide it into two parts. That was the reason quoted by him. Okay. So radicals opposed this. Who were radicals, children? Radicals were the people who opposed the soft stance of moderates towards the British, and they called moderates political beggars. So in your textbook there is one important line. So just I'll show you that line on the screen last. No, last screen. Yes, see here I have underlined the things there. Okay, so the soft stance of the moderates towards the British made unhappy group within the Congress to call them as political beggars. So the group the group of congressmen who criticized the soft stance of moderates were called as radicals. Then one more thing, they opposed the stance of British who considered nominating the Indian members to Indian Legislative Assembly as an important favor. So collect information on India Act, Indian Councils Act 1861 and Indian Councils Act 1892. You can stop sharing. So 1861 and 1892, while teaching you about constitutional development, I have told you, no, Indian Councils Act. So these moderates, they requested for representation of India in the legislative assembly. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಮೊದಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಮೊದಲು ಯಾರನ್ನೂ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಡೆಗೆ ನಾಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ದೇ ನಾಮಿನೇಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಜಿಸ್ಲೇಟಿವ್ ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಯಾರು ಸರಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾರೋ, ತಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಯಾರು ಅಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ವೋ ಅವರನ್ನ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಸೊ and British government told that it was their favor towards Indians. Okay, so actually Indians had to be there in the legislative assembly because it was our right to be there in the law making procedure. But British told that nominating Indians to the legislative assembly, it was the favor done by them towards the Indians. So these radicals, they opposed this stance or this this saying of British. Okay, ಅವ್ರೇನೋ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಕ್ಕಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತಹ ಕಾನೂನನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಕ್ಕು. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇವರು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು 1861 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ? There was no election. They just nominated. On 1861, unofficial nomination it was. Okay. ನಾವು ಬರೀ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ನಮ್ದೇನೋ ನಡೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. 1892 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂಚೂರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಮಗೆ ಫೇವರ್ ಹೇಳೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. And radicals opposed it. Okay. Then you have learnt about Swadeshi movement, no, led by radicals. So which opposed division of Bengal that took place in the year 1905. Then in the year 1911, the British government had to take back what, children? The division of Bengal. I have told you about 1906, the birth of Muslim League, very painful chapter in the history of India. Okay, so far Indian National Congress represented all the Indians. So it was the representative of Hindus and Muslims. So Indian National Congress, it never acted partial, or it never discriminated among Hindus and Muslims. But anyhow, in the year 1906, Muslim League got birth. 1907, Surat session of Congress. Congress was split into two parties or two groups. The radicals came out of Congress. ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ವಾ, Surat session. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದವರಿಗೆ ಕುರ್ಚಿ ಗಿರ್ಚಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದು ತೆಗೆದು ಒಗೆದಿದ್ರಂತೆ, ಕೆಳಗೆ ಸೇರಿದಂತಹ ಜನ. ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಹಣ್ಣು, ಕೋಳಿ ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಗೆದಂತಹ ಸೂರತ್ ಸೆಷನ್ 1907. ಬಾಲಗಂಗಾಧರ್ ತಿಲಕ್ಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ in this way Congress was split into two groups in the year 1907 in the Surat session of Congress. Okay, then 1909 you have to remember Minto-Morley reforms. Minto-Morley reforms, it gave separate electoral constituency for the Muslims, divide and rule policy. How bad the English were. Okay, separate electorate constituency was given to the Muslims by Minto-Morley reforms 1909. Government of India Act 1909 it is also called, children. 1911 division of Bengal was taken back. Okay, 1885 important year. 1905 important year. 1906 important year. 1907 important year. 1909 again important. 1911 division of Bengal was taken back. So you have to write about Swadeshi movement. You may be asked to write about Swadeshi movement. Why were the British forced to take back division of Bengal? Radicals launched Swadeshi movement. They approached the people, means they went to the doorsteps of the people. They explained. Then Bengali language kept unity among Indians. Raksha Bandhan festival kept unity among Hindus and Muslims. Then they requested people, radicals requested people to ban, boycott, okay, boycott, BOYCOTT, boycott the British goods and use Swadeshi goods. ಹೋಲಿ ದಹನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಂತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಚರಣೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಟ್, ಒಂದ್ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ಬರ್ಸ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಕಾಮನ್ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಏನೋ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಏನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೋಲಿ ಅಂತಹ ಹಬ್ಬವನ್ನ ಆಚರಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಜನರ ಇಮೋಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ಜನರನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಇಮೋಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಹೋಲಿ ದಹನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರನ್ನ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಸ್ವದೇಶಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿದೇಶಿ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಡ್ತಿದ್ರಂತೆ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ? ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗುಡ್ಡೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರಿನ್ ಕ್ಲೋದಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಸೋಪ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಸನ್ನಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರು ಸೋಪ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರಂತೆ. ಆ ಸೋಪ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇರೋದು, ಆ ಸೋಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ತೊಳಿದೇ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು. ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಸೊ in this way the Indians were encouraged to ban the foreign goods and encouraged to use the Swadeshi goods, and Swadeshi movement became very popular. So my grandfather used to tell me, so he was also imprisoned once. Okay, then at that time when the British supplied their soaps, to take bath and to wash the clothing, they never used it. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇರೋದನ್ನೇ ಯೋಗ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ದ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಪೋಸ್ಡ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ವರ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. Now today we are going to learn about one of the great radicals, one of the very important leaders of Indian freedom movement, that is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He is also popular as BG Tilak and also popular as Lokamanya Tilak. Okay, Lokamanya Tilak. So ಇವ್ರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಕತೆ ಒಂದ್ ರೀತಿ ಮೈಯನ್ನ ರೋಮಾಂಚನ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳು. So it is our fundamental duty. You all have learnt about 14 fundamental duties, no? We should know the great freedom fighters. We should take inspiration from those people to work to serve our motherland. Alva? So mane beda, mata beda, desha, 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 motherland. Okay, they worked for their motherland. So Bal Gangadhar Tilak was one of such great leaders. So ಇವ್ರ ಕಥೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಬರ್ತದೆ. So Bal Gangadhar Tilak, what happened? He was a very good friend of Gopala Krishna Gokhale, but there was a difference in their ideology. Gopala Krishna Gokhale, he was a moderate. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, he was a radical. Both of them got birth in Maharashtra, Ratnagiri. Okay, Both of them were maths teachers. Okay, both Balagangadhar Tilak and Gopal Krishna Gokule were maths teachers. They were very good friends. Today is International Maths Day, no? We are talking about, see, maths teachers who completely involved themselves in the freedom movement of India. This Balagangadhar Tilak, up to 1895, for first 10 years, he was there with moderates. Then after 1895, especially after 1905, this Balagangadhar Tilak, he developed a new ideology. He told that complete Swaraj should be the aim of Indian National Congress. So it was the difference. See, moderates, they did never ask for complete Swaraj. They just asked for representation of Indians in legislative assembly. But these radicals, they asked for what, children? Complete independence. They told that Purna Swarajya should be the aim of Indian National Congress, and he declared that Swaraj is my birthright, I shall have it. Okay, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. So this was the declaration, this was the slogan given by Balagangadhar Tilak. He used to write revolutionary articles. Okay, he used to write revolutionary articles, and these revolutionary articles influenced the revolutionaries, the people like Khudiram Bose. Okay, they were very much inspired by the articles written by Balagangadhar Tilak. ಇವರು ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆಯನ್ನ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಂತವ್ರು. ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಂತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಉಂಟೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ನಾನ್ ವಯಲೆಂಟ್. But when it becomes necessary to protect ourselves, okay, we should raise our hand, we should use weapons, we should not lag behind using weapons. So this was explained by Balagangadhar Tilak. Okay, he used to write articles in his papers. Articles annella bariyodu Chapekar brothers. Okay, they killed plague commissioner. Avagin kaladalli plague ರೋಗ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ, ಈಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಗ್ ರೋಗ, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಂಡಮಿಕ್, ಎಪಿಡಮಿಕ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಪ್ಲೇಗ್ ರೋಗ ಬಂತೋ ಅವರನ್ನ ಊರ ಹೊರಗೆ ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಹೈಜಿನಿಕ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಕಷ್ಟದ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಗಂತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಂತದ್ದು, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಹೆಂಗಸರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅವ್ರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಗಿಟ್ಟೆ ತೆಗೆದು ಹಾಕುವಂತದ್ದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವರನ್ನ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ಫುಲಿ ಎಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಊರಿನ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಾಕುವಂತದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೇಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ರೀತಿ ಭಯ. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಭಯ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತೋ, ಅವಾಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲೂ ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ಲೇಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಗಡ್ಡೆ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತಂತೆ, ತೊಡೆ ಸಂದಿಲಿ ಗಡ್ಡೆ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತಂತೆ, ಆ ಗಡ್ಡೆ ದೊಡ್ಡಾಗಿ ಹೊಡೆದು ಜ್ವರ ಬಂದು ಸಾಯುವಂತದ್ದು, ಇಲಿಗಳು ಸಾಯ್ತಿದ್ವಂತೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗಿಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ವೆನ್ somebody is suffering from disease, no, how should be our attitude towards them? We should be sympathetic, right? But they never acted like that forcefully, whether they were suffering from plague or not. That was not primary. They just took them forcefully, they dragged them from their home. Okay, so whatever things they had, no, all those things were burned. So that's why Balagangadhar Tilak, he opposed it. He wrote articles against this act of the British officers. Then Chapekar brothers, they killed plague commissioner called Officer Ram. Okay, then Balagangadhar Tilak was held responsible for this. So British officers told that these Chapekar brothers, they got inspiration from you, and that's why from your articles, and that's why you should be punished. So he was imprisoned for 18 months. Okay, 1.5 ವರ್ಷ ಇವರನ್ನ ಜೈಲಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಾಂಡಲೆ ಜೈಲು ಬರ್ಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ. ದೆನ್ ಅಗೇನ್ 1909 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಖುದಿರಾಮ್ ಬೋಸ್, 16 ವರ್ಷದ ಹುಡುಗ, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಿಮ್ಮಷ್ಟೇ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹುಡುಗ, ಖುದಿರಾಮ್ ಬೋಸ್ 16 ವರ್ಷದ ಹುಡುಗ, ಒಂದು ಬಾಂಬ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಲ್ಲೋ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಈ ಸಣ್ಣ ಹುಡುಗ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ he couldn't kill, okay, that magistrate, but in that explosion, no, two British ladies died, and that's why Khudiram Bose, he was arrested and he was hanged when he was just 18 years old. ಪಾಪ 18 ವರ್ಷ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಜೀವನ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗಬೇಕು, 18 ವರ್ಷ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಖುದಿರಾಮ್ ಬೋಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಡ್. And for this event also Balagangadhar Tilak was held responsible for his revolutionary articles. No children, British considered him as victim and he was imprisoned for 6 years. Okay, he was sentenced for 6 years jail. Okay, again he was sent to Mandalay jail. There he wrote a book called Geeta Rahasya. Okay, you should remember this. He wrote a book called Geeta Rahasya. So in this way, Balagangadhar Tilak gave a great contribution. Then he joined Indian National Congress in the year 1916. Then 4 years he remained as the leaders of Indian National Congress. But when Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place, no 1919 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಅವರನ್ನ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಕನ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಾಲಗಂಗಾಧರ್ ತಿಲಕ್. ಬರೀ ನಾನ್ ವಯೋಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, we have to take up violent steps to throw British out of our nation. Okay, so agitations, strikes are very necessary. He believed in that philosophy, no, but means there was means the gap between Balagangadhar Tilak and Mahatma Gandhiji remained. And what happened, Balagangadhar Tilak, he got ill after the very painful event of Jallianwala Bagh massacre. ಅದನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆರಾಮಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಮಲಗಿದವರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇವರು ಹೇಳಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಊಟ ತಿಂಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಯೋಚನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನೋ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೂ ಏನೋ ದೊಡ್ಡ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡವ್ರಿಗೆ ದುಃಖ ಪಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, he got ill because of the painful event of Jallianwala Bagh massacre. He could not he could not recover back. He died. So this is how a great radical leader, Balagangadhar Tilak, he sacrificed his life for Indian freedom movement. See, I have written 7 important points on the board. So write a note on Balagangadhar Tilak. Will be one important 4 marks question for your examination. All points are easy, children. It is like a story, no? That's why you can very easily remember this one. See, he was a great extremist. He was a great radical. That you can write. No, his contribution is unforgettable. That can be your first point. He was popular as Lokamanya Tilak. Lokave ಒಪ್ಪುದಂತದ್ದು, ಲೋಕಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾನ್ಯನಾದಂತಹ ಜನ ಇವರು. So Lokamanya Tilak, he was popular as, and his famous slogan is, children, Swaraj is my birthright, I shall have it at any cost. Swaraj is my birthright. ಸ್ವರಾಜ್ಯ ನನ್ನ ಜನ್ಮ ಸಿದ್ಧ ಹಕ್ಕು ಅಂತ ಘೋಷಣೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. Swaraj is my birthright, I shall have it at any cost. And what was his aim, children? To achieve complete independence. To achieve complete independence was his aim. Then it was the aim of radicals also. Okay, it was the aim of all the radicals. Maybe Lala Lajpat Rai, maybe Bipin Chandra Pal, maybe Aurobindo Ghosh. So their main aim was to achieve complete independence. Then, children, he wrote revolutionary articles. Okay, revolutionary articles. How Chapekar brothers, how Khudiram Bose got inspiration from the articles written by him. You have understood, no? What steps did they take and how did they sacrifice their life for the nation? So for this, for his revolutionary articles, he was imprisoned many times. Okay, so this is 3 times he was imprisoned, and all of them for his revolutionary articles. Then next one is his 2 important magazines. One is Kesari. Okay, ಹೆಸರೇ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸಿಂಹದ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕೇಸರಿ ಅಂತ, ಸಿಂಹದ ತರ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. So Kesari, it was in Marathi language. Kesari magazine was in Marathi language, and second important magazine was, children, Maratha. Maratha was in English language. Okay, so in these 2 magazines, periodicals they were, he used to write revolutionary articles, Kesari and Maratha. Then I have told you about Geeta Rahasya. when he was sent to Mandalay jail in Burma, no, he wrote this book. There also he did not take rest. When he was imprisoned, he wrote this book, Gita Rahasya. Okay, Bhagavad Gita ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪುಸ್ತಕವನ್ನೇ ಬರೀತಾರೆ ಅವರು. He interprets Bhagavad Gita in his own style, Gita Rahasya. Then comes, see, to organize the people, he used to bring the people together, he used to organize these important festivals, Shivaji Jayanti and Ganesh Chaturthi. ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದವರಿಗೆ ಶಿವಾಜಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು ಅಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಶಿವಾಜಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಶಿವಾಜಿ ಜಯಂತಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಗಣೇಶ ಚತುರ್ಥಿ, ಗಣಪತಿ ಬಪ್ಪ ಮೋರಯ್ಯ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಗಣಪತಿ ಬಪ್ಪ ಮೋರಯ್ಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಮರಾಠಿ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಗಣಪತಿ ಹಬ್ಬ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಷ್ಟ. ಸೊ ಅಂತ ಹಬ್ಬವನ್ನ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಜನ ಸೇರಿದಾಗ he used to give speech, revolutionary speeches he used to give to the common people, and he used to encourage the common people against the British government. So Ganesh Chaturthi and Shivaji Jayanti. And next one, Home Rule movement in the year 1916 with Annie Besant. Annie Besant started it from Chennai, and Lokmanya Tilak, he started it from Pune. So 7 points, main points I have written. Kalu Bala ನೀವು ಸೇರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು 10 points ತನಕ ಆರಾಮ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. If you write these 7 points with one extra point, no, nobody will stop you from getting 4 marks. And all these are what? Inspirational events. Kesari Maratha, Gita Rahasya, Shivaji Jayanti, Ganesh Chaturthi, Home Rule movement, Swaraj is my birthright, I shall have it. Akshay, will you remember? So children, now shall I ask you few questions? Can I speak to Tejasvi Surya? Tejasvi? Did you learn anything about Balagangadhar Tilak, Mari?
Yes.
Which point did you like the most about Balagangadhar Tilak?
He used to write revolutionary articles.
Revolutionary articles. Very good. Thank you, Mari. Okay. Then Rashmi. Rashmi,
Yes, Mataji.
which points did you know before?
Swaraja is my birthright.
Huh. That one you knew. Then
Kesari Maratha.
you knew about Kesari and Maratha. Very good. Then Mari, what else did you know?
Mataji, he was called Lokamanya.
He was called Lokamanya. Okay, very good. Then can I speak to Soumya Hegde?
Yes, Mataji.
Which point did you like about Balagangadhar Tilak, Mari?
Mataji, I like second point. Swaraj is my birthright, I shall have it.
Yes, you liked about you liked this point, no? Swaraj is my birthright, I shall have it. Then can I speak to Kartik P. Hegde?
Yes, Mataji.
Which point inspired you about Balagangadhar Tilak?
Mataji, his aim to achieve complete freedom.
Yes, complete freedom. Yes, it motivated you. Very nice. Okay. Then can I speak to Pannad? Which point inspired you, Pannad?
He wrote revolutionary articles.
Yes. Then okay, Nitin. Okay, thank you. Nitin.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah. Did you like anything about Balagangadhar Tilak, Mari?
Maji, Swaraj is my birthright, I shall have it.
Swaraj is my birthright, I shall have it. Okay. What about Vidya? Vidya, are you there? What did you like about Balagangadhar Tilak?
Much revolutionary articles.
You also.
Revolutionary articles.
Yes, thank you. Okay, then may I know something? May I know from Sinchanadi Bhatt? Did he inspire you in any way? Sinchana Dibat? Okay, I cannot speak to her. Yes, last I'll take opinion from Shreya Bhatt. Oh, tell me, Marie. Did you like anything about him? Sorry, Putta, your internet is very slow, I think. Yeah, Sudhanma.
Mataji,
What did you like about him?
Mataji revolutionary article Kesari Marathi.
Okay, okay. Huh? Yes, remember these things, 7 important points which will help you to get 4 marks in the examination and which will always inspire you. Okay. Now, after Balagangadhar Tilak, children, let us know something about this group, revolutionaries. Okay. Revolutionaries, they believed in bloodshed. Okay. They believed in violent methods to throw British out of India. They believed that they have to take violent methods. They have to follow violent methods. And for violent methods, they needed money and weapons. No, that's why they organized secret associations. Secret associations to collect money and also to collect the weapons. Okay, secret organizations were established by them. Many were there. So in England itself, the Indians who went to England, to study law there, barrister degree ಪಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ಓದ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲೆಯ Indians, they had established associations. So one among them was Lotus and Dagger. Okay, Lotus and Dagger was established in England, and Gadhar Party, it was established in United States of America. Okay, so India House was established there. So in this way, what did they do, children? They organized secret associations, they collected money, they collected weapons, they distributed revolutionary articles to the people, they killed many British officers, okay, and they believed in violent methods. So this is how they differed from radicals. See, radicals in a belief they believed in strikes, agitations, protests. Okay, complete ಸ್ವರಾಜ್ಯ ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಬೇಕು, ಸಿಮಿಲಾರಿಟಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ರಾಡಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೇಳದೇನೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ವಯೋಲೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಅಂತ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಟ್ಟವ್ರು ಯಾರು? ರಾಡಿಕಲ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನರೀಸ್, ಇವರು ತೀವ್ರಗಾಮಿಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡವರು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೇ ಬಿಲೀವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ವಯೋಲೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್. And our Veer Savarkar, he established Abhinava Bharata. Okay, a committee called Abhinava Bharata was established. It was a secret association, and one more was there. It was Anushilana Samiti. Okay, 2 important organizations set up by Veer Savarkar were, one is Abhinava Bharata. Preeti, can you tell me the name? Abhinava Bharata and Anushilana Samiti. Preeti?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, which were the organizations established by Veer Savarkar?
Abhinava Bharata and Anushilana Samiti.
Yes, very good. Abhinava Bharata and Anushilana Samiti. So these were the beliefs of revolutionaries. Here I have written the names of great revolutionaries of India. See, board is full, no? So, but I couldn't stop myself from not writing anybody's name here. So I wrote everybody's name. I couldn't stop myself. See, I will start with Aravinda Ghosh. You know, no, Aravinda Ghosh? Aravinda Ghosh was a radical. Later he converted himself to be a revolutionary. Okay, Aravinda Ghosh, he was a radical, but later he became a revolutionary. Okay, ಅರವಿಂದ ಘೋಷನ್ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಂಚಪ್ರಾಣ, ಅರವಿಂದ ಘೋಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಪಂಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, he sent Aravinda Ghosh to English school. When Aravinda Ghosh was just 7 years old, no, he was sent to England. That much his father was influenced by the culture of England. But Aravinda Ghosh, After coming back from England, see in England he learnt English, French, Greek, Latin, iddu badidella kaltkonಡ್ರು. But when he came back to India, no, he learned Sanskrit, he learnt Indian Upanishads, Veda, Vedanta, everything. Then he became a saint, Aravinda Ghosh, and he established ashrama in Pondicherry. Okay, great person Aravinda Ghosh was. Next one is V.D. Savarkar. Papa ivrdantu kate ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಬೇಡದಂತಹ ಕತೆ. ವಿ ಡಿ ಸಾವರ್ಕರ್, when he was just 7 years old, he lost his mother. Then when he was 13 or 14 years old, he lost his father. Very intelligent student he was. Okay, very means very intelligent boy he was. He went to England. Then in England, he wrote revolutionary articles against British. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗದೆ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಬರೆದ್ರು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಕೊಂಡು ಬಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ಇವರನ್ನ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಂದ ತೆಗೆದು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ he knew that what is going to be the sentence against him. To escape from imprisonment, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕಾಲುವೆಯನ್ನ ಹಾರ್ತಾರೆ. ಪಾಪ ಇವರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಹೆಂಗಾರು ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡಿನ ದಾಟ್ಕೊಂಡು, ನದಿ ದಾಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಫ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ತಾನು ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗ್ತೇನೆ ಹೇಳುವಂತಹ ಆಸೆ. ಪಾಪ 4 ದಿನಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನದಿಯನ್ನ ದಾಟ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ he was arrested back and he was sentenced for children 50 years imprisonment. He was sent to Andaman Nicobar. ಕಾಲಾಪಾನಿ ಸಜಾ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್. ಕಾಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕೆಟ್ಟದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜೈಲೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆಗಿದ್ವು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಎದ್ದು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಗ ಸಾಕಾಗುದು ಅಂತದ್ದು, ಜಾಗ ಸಾಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಲ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಗ ಸಾಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟಾಯ್ಲೆಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಕಳಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ರಿಸನ್ ನಲ್ಲೇ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ. ಊಟ ತಿಂಡಿ ಅಂತೂ ಹಳಸಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಮತ್ತೆ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನರೀಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದೋಸ್ ಜೈಲ್ಸ್. ನೋ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದೇ ವೇರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಪೆನ್, they were not provided with paper, okay, to stop them from writing poems, okay, revolutionary articles. British did not provide them anything. So ಅದರಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟದ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಜೀವ ಇದ್ರೂ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದವರು ಅರ್ಧ ಜನ ಹುಚ್ಚಿಡಿದು ಸಾಯ್ತಿದ್ರಂತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮಚ್ ವರ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆಫ್ jail of Andaman Nicobar. It was popular as Sazaye Kalapani. So there is a film also, Sazaye Kalapani. How it was bad, that is very well shown in that picture. Okay, so this Veer Savarkar, he was imprisoned for, he was sentenced for 50 years imprisonment, rigorous imprisonment it was. And when he was in jail, no, as he was not provided with pen and pencil, alva children, he used to write on the walls of the prison with the help of his nail. Okay, ಉಗುರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಪ ಬರೀತಿದ್ರಂತೆ ಪ್ರಿಸನ್ನಿನ ಗೋಡೆ ಮೇಲೆ. ಕೈಗೆ ಗಾಯ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ರಕ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತಿದ್ರಂತೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಒಂದ್ ರೀತಿ ದೇಶಭಕ್ತಿ ಇವರಲ್ಲಿ, ವೀರ್ ಸಾವರ್ಕರ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ 1917, 1917 ಇವರನ್ನ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಗಿವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಇವರು ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಲೆಟರ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದಾಗ he was released from the jail. He wrote a book called First War of Indian Independence. 1857 revolt, Sipai Mutiny anta tilkondu jana ella sumnidu. When this Veer Savarkar wrote this book, no, 1857 revolt as First War of Indian Independence, so it created awareness among Indians. ಈ ಪುಸ್ತಕವನ್ನ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಕೂಡ ಮಜಾ. ಇವರು ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಇವರನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಜೈಲಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಬರೆದಿದ್ದ ಪುಸ್ತಕವನ್ನ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮುಟ್ಸೋದು? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕಾಮಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ಲೇಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕಾಮಾ, ಇವರು ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಇವರು ಬರೆದಂತಹ ಪುಸ್ತಕ. ಒಂದ್ ಸಲ ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆದಾಗ 2000 ಕಾಪಿ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗ್ತದಂತೆ ವೀರ್ ಸಾವರ್ಕರ್ ಬರೆದಂತಹ ಪುಸ್ತಕ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಖಪುಟವನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕಾಮಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. And it encourages, it becomes inspiration for many revolutionaries. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವರು ಹಿಂದೂ ಮಹಾಸಭಾ ಕಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಬಿದ್ದೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಇಂದ ಹೊರಗುಳಿತಾರೆ ಇವರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ 1966 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪವಾಸ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇವರು ತೀರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 1948 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಕೊಲೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಸಾಸಿನೇಷನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಕೂಡ he too was considered as one of the victims, but he was released means there was no proof against him. 1966 he dies. Veer Savarkar. Okay, V.D. Savarkar, great person he was. Next one is Ashwini Kumar Datta. Then next one is children. I have written about Rajanarayan Bose. Rajanarayan Bose, he was the grandfather of Aravinda Ghosh. Okay, Rajanarayan Bose was the grandfather of Aravinda Ghosh. He was the father of Aravinda Ghosh's mother, not father. So Rajanarayan Bose. Next comes children, this person, Ram Prasad Bismillah, Ashfaqullah Khan. Okay, so they were the leaders of Kakori robbery. Kakori railway robbery took place. No, ಇವರಿಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ವೆಪನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಕಾಕೋರಿ ಹೇಳುವಂತಹ ಜಾಗ ಲಕ್ನೋ, ಈ ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡಿನ ಟ್ರೆಜರಿಯನ್ನ ಆ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಕಾಕೋರಿ ಹೇಳುವಂತಹ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೆಜರಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಣವನ್ನ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು? ರಾಮ್ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಬಿಸ್ಮಿಲ್, ಅಶ್ಫಾಕುಲ್ಲಾ ಖಾನ್. ಸೊ ತಿಂಗಳಗಟ್ಟಲೆ ಹಿಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರನ್ನ. ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಇವ್ರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಕೊಂಡ್ ಬೀಳೋರು ರಾಮ್ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಬಿಸ್ಮಿಲ್. ಈ ಅಶ್ಫಾಕುಲ್ಲಾ ಖಾನ್ ಪಾಪ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಸೊ ಇವ್ರ ಆಸೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೊರದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ತಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು, ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ತಪ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ತಿರುಗ್ತಾರೆ. 2 ತಿಂಗಳು ಕಳೀತಿದೆ, 3 ತಿಂಗಳ ಕಳೀತಿದೆ. ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೊರದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಹತ್ರ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ friend treated him. Okay, he proved to be a great trait. He gave information about the place where Ashfaqullah Khan hidden himself. Okay, so Ashfaqullah Khan was arrested and he was also hanged to death. Ram Prasad Bismil and Ashfaqullah Khan. Ashfaqullah Khan. Okay, then afterwards next one, Shyamji Krishna Verma. I will not tell about this person, Shyamji Krishna Verma. He was also a great revolutionary. Then Madam Kama, I have already told you. Okay, Madam Kama, she was the lady who gave tricolor flag for India for the first time. Madam Kama. ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಕ್ರ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಚರಕ ಇತ್ತು. ಏನಿತ್ತು? ಚರಕ. Okay, Madam Kama was the lady who gave tricolor flag for India. Okay, then after Madam Kama we have Ras Bihari Bose. So he helped Subhash Chandra Bose in Japan. He was the founder of Indian National Army. ಅವಾಗ ಪ್ರಥಮ್ ಪಂಡಿತ್ ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ವಾ, INA. ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೋಸ್ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಲೀಡರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಫೌಂಡರ್ ರಾಸ್ ಬಿಹಾರಿ ಬೋಸ್. So when we will learn about Subhash Chandra Bose, no, at that time I will tell you about Ras Bihari Bose. Then Khudiram Bose. Just now I have told you about Khudiram Bose, how a boy of 16 years old. So he is the youngest martyr. Khudiram Bose was the youngest martyr. Then Bhagat Singh, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವಂತದ್ದು, ದ ಲೆಜೆಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಭಗತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್. ಅಜಯ್ ದೇವಗನ್ನ ಮೂವಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಡೀ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಸುರಿತದೆ ಅಂತ great 23 years. When he died, no, when Bhagat Singh died, he was just 23 years old. ರಂಗದೇ ಬಸಂತಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಹಾಡೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅವ್ರ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದ್ರು ದೇಶದ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಭಗತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್, ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಆಜಾದ್ ಇವಂತೂ ಲೆಜೆಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇವರಂತ ಮನುಷ್ಯರು, he was simply a great person. ಇವರು ಇದ್ರು. ಕಾಕೋರಿ ರೈಲ್ವೆ ರಾಬರಿ ಏನಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಆಜಾದ್ ಇದ್ರು, ಭಗತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಕೂಡ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಚೋಟಾ ಮೋಟಾ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು? ರಾಮ್ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಬಿಸ್ಮಿಲ್ಲಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಶ್ಫಾಕುಲ್ಲಾ ಖಾನ್. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ 16-17 ವರ್ಷದ ಹುಡುಗರು, ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಆಜಾದ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಭಗತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಆಜಾದ್ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ 10,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇತ್ತಂತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಕತೆ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. 10,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಂತೆ. ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಆಜಾದನ್ನ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಟ್ಟವರಿಗೆ 10,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ. ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಕಂಡ್ಕಂಡಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಒಂದ್ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಪೊಲೀಸರ ಜೊತೆ ಇಡೀ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಸ್ಪೀಟ್ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇವರು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಆಜಾದ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಜಾದ್ ಹೂ ಆಜಾದ್ ರಹೂಂಗ ಹೇಳುವಂತದ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಂತಹ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಆಜಾದ್. ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತು ಪೊಲೀಸರ ಜೊತೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆದ್ರೂ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸಾಯೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಂತೂ ಅವರ ಏನ್ ರೈಫಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಬುಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, 5 ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರಿಗೆ ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ, 1 ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ತನಗ್ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಯ್ತಾರೆ ಇವರು. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳೋದು ಅವ್ರ ಪ್ರತಿಜ್ಞೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಮೇ ಆಜಾದ್ ಥಾ ಆಜಾದ್ ಹೂ ಆಜಾದ್ ಹೀ ರಹೂಂಗಾ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಆಜಾದ್ ಇವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಇವ್ರ ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ಭಯ ಇತ್ತು ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರಿಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇವರು ತಮಗೆ ಗುಂಡನ್ನ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸತ್ ಹೆಣ ಆಗಿ ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರಿಗೆ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ, ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎದ್ದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಂತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು 8-10 ಗುಂಡನ್ನ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು, ಸತ್ತೋದ ಹೆಣಕ್ಕೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅವ್ರ ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ಭಯ ಇತ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸತ್ತೋಗಿ ಮಲಗದಂತಹ ಶವಕ್ಕೆ 7-8 ಗುಂಡನ್ನ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೋಲ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಚುಚ್ಚಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಂತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಎದ್ದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗೂ ಬಾಡಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಲಗಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ವೋ, ದೇ ಡಿಸೈಡೆಡ್ ದಟ್ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಡೆಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಆಜಾದ್ ವಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಆಜಾದ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀತಾರಾಮ್, ದೆನ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಜತಿನ್ ದಾಸ್ ಬೋಸ್, ಜತೀಂದ್ರನಾಥ್ ಬೋಸ್. ಇವರು 63 ದಿವಸ ಹಂಗರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಲಾಹೋರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, 1 ಅಲ್ಲ 2 ಅಲ್ಲ, 63 ದಿನ ಹಂಗರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾಹೋರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್? ಜತಿನ್ ದಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಇವರು ಲಾಹೋರ್ ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸತ್ತಾಗ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕಾಮ ತರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರ ಹೆಣವನ್ನ ರೈಲಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಲಾಹೋರಿಂದ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಲ್ಕತ್ತಾಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಹೆಣವನ್ನ. ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಣವನ್ನ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೋಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಸನ್ನಿನ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಏನಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಳಸಿದ ಊಟ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ವಿರೋಧಿಸಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಇವರು ಜತೀಂದ್ರನಾಥ್ ಬೋಸ್. ಜತಿನ್ ದಾಸ್ ಅಂತ, ಸಾರಿ ಜತೀಂದ್ರನಾಥ್ ದಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇವರು ಹೆಸರು, ಜತಿನ್ ದಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇವರು. 63 ದಿನದ ಹಂಗರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್. ಭಗತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ 55 ದಿನದ ತನಕ ಹಂಗರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇವರು 63 ದಿವಸ. ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ರಾಜ್ಗುರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸುಖದೇವ್, ಭಗತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ನ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಆದಂತವ್ರು. ಇವ್ರು 3 ಜನ ಹೋಗಿ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಪಾರ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರನ್ನೂ ಕೊಲ್ಲದೆ ಬಾಂಬ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಬಂದಂತವ್ರು. ನಮಗೆ ಬಾಂಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, 23 ವರ್ಷದ ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಹೋಗಿ ಬಾಂಬ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಪಾರ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡಿನ ಪಾರ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದ ಪಾರ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಂಬ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರನ್ನ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರನ್ನ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ರಾಜ್ಗುರು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಚಾಪೇಕರ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ನೋ, ಪ್ಲೇಗ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ರಾಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅವರನ್ನ ಕೊಂದಂತವರು ಚಾಪೇಕರ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್. ವಿಷ್ಣು ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಿ, he was also a great revolutionary. See children, it is our fundamental duty to know about the freedom fighters who sacrificed their life for our India, and it is our fundamental duty to take inspiration from the stories of these great people. Okay, so every story, every leader's story is an inspiration for all the citizens of India, especially the children of India who are going to be the citizens of India in the future. Wherever you get a time to know about these leaders, no, read their biographies, otherwise listen to their biographies where you can get information on YouTube. So their stories, they are recorded, as they are made as a video. You will get their biographies on YouTube. Whenever you get time, no, you listen to them, you learn about them and get inspiration. So this is what we have to learn in this lesson, that is the revolutionaries, the radicals and the moderates. Okay, even though these people couldn't give complete independence to India, ಒಂದು 1930-31 ಏನುಂಟಲ್ಲ, ಭಗತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸತ್ತಿದ್ದು 1931 ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವ್ರ ನಂತರ ಒಂದ್ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನರಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಉಳಿದವರು ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೋಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಲೀಡರ್, ಯು ನೋ ಹೌ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ 1947. ಬಟ್ these people were the inspiration for common people. ಭಗತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು. ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಆಗಿ ಭಗತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೆದರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಿಂದಿನ ದಿನ, ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಡೇಟ್ಗಿಂತ ಹಿಂದಿನ ದಿನ ಇವರನ್ನ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಆಡದಂತಹ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಾತು ಮ್ಯಾಗಝಿನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತಾರೆ, ಜನರಿಗೆ ಹುಚ್ಚು. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಹೌ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಚೀವ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, so hope you all have enjoyed the lesson, children. Few questions are there given at the end of the lesson. Let us go through the questions very quick. Shall we? Say yes by raising your hands. Siri? Siri?
Yes, Mataji.
So did you understand anything? In any way did this lesson inspire you?
Yes, Mataji. It is very nice.
Okay, good. Okay, then so let us check the question and answers, children. See, if you have your textbook, please keep it open. So first question, the Indian National Congress was founded in the year. Very easy question, no? So many times we have discussed about it. I'll get the answer for this question from Anurag. Anurag, will you do? Will you give me the answer, Marie? Anurag? Okay. Shanvi? Shanvi?
Yes, Mataji.
In which year it was established? Do you remember, Marie? Okay. So if Shanvi cannot tell me the answer, then I take answer from Sinchana. Yes, but
1885.
1885 is the correct answer. Next, Dhruva. The drain theory. The drain theory was forwarded by who advocated wealth drain theory? Dhruva.
Dadabhai Nauroji.
Very good. Dadabhai Nauroji is the correct answer. Then, Swaraj is my birthright. I shall have it was declared by Tejas. Swaraj is my birthright. I shall have it. Tejas. Otherwise, Nagraj. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is the correct answer. Next, Bal Gangadhar Tilak published dash newspaper in Marathi language. Akshay.
Kesari.
Very good. Correct answer. Kesari in Marathi language, Maratha in English language. Then, a secret organization by name Abhinava Bharata. Okay, belonged to whom? Nikhil Hegde. Abhinava Bharata was established by?
Veer Savarkar.
Yes, very good answer. To Port Blair's International Airport is there, no? Port Blair's International Airport. It is the capital city of Union Territory, Andaman Nicobar, no children. So its name is Veer Savarkar Airport. Okay. He was a person from Maharashtra. Then children, next one. The founder of Indian National Congress was? May I get the answer from Prajwal? Founder of INC. He is not there. He has not joined the class. Okay. Shall I get answer from Jeevan? Jeevan also has decided to not to talk with Divya Mataji. Otherwise, I didn't speak to Nutan at all today. Nutan? He couldn't wish me also at that time. Nutan? So, Nutan cannot tell me the answer. Otherwise, Yashaswini?
A.O. Hume.
A.O. Hume is the correct answer. Kavya, next question. Maratha paper was published by? Kavya?
Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Yes, correct answer. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. See, here next question. Muslim League was established in the year. Pratham Bhatt. Pratham Bhatt. Muslim League was established in the year.
Mataji 1906. 1906.
1906. Remember this year, children. 1906. Muslim League was established. Good. Then, Viceroy who implemented Bengal division. Even hesarantu yaru marilikke illala. Viceroy who implemented Bengal division. Sahana? Lord Curzon is the correct answer. Then, if we come to this Roman number 3, which were the organizations that were present before Indian National Congress? 4 organizations. Then, what were the demands of moderates placed in front of the British? 4 are there. 2 marks, 4 points. Industrial development. Education should be given to Indians. What type of education? Good education. military expenditure should be cut down, then poverty elevation program should be carried on. 4 demands. Next one, wealth drain theory, children. Dadabhai Naoroji, he told about wealth drain theory. Name the revolutionaries of Indian independence movement. Revolutionaries. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಸರು ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರ ಕತೆ ನೆನಪಾಗ್ತದ ಅಷ್ಟೂರ ಕತೆನೂ ಕತೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಹೆಸರು ಬರೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ನಾನು 2-3 ಜನರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನು ಕತೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕತೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ವಿಷ್ಣು ಶರ್ಮಾಗ್ ಒಂದು ಕತೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಸೀತಾರಾಮ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕತೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ದೆನ್ ಐ ಡಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಸೇ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಶಾಮ್ಜಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ವರ್ಮ, ಇವ್ರ ಕತೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಉಳಿದವ್ರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲರದ್ದು ಕತೆ ಉಂಟು, ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟು. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರದ್ದು ಹೆಸರು ಬರೀತೀರಿ, ಐ ಹೋಪ್. ಓಕೆ, 4 marks ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 8 ಜನರ ಹೆಸರು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್. Then afterwards, discuss the role of BG Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak's role in Indian freedom movement. 7 points I have given. All the 7 points you will remember. Then next one, what were the reasons for the withdrawal of division of Bengal, partition of Bengal? Why was it taken back? Swadeshi movement, contribution of radicals it is. Okay, Swadeshi movement was introduced by radicals, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Next one, name of important radicals. You have 4 people, 3 people, Lal Bal Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, and 4th one is Aravinda Ghosh. Yeah. Okay, so here children we are completing our first lesson in second semester's history part. Hope you all have enjoyed. Tell me how many of you will give 10 out of 10 marks for this lesson. Find any doubt, you can message me. Okay, yes, as I send you the question and answers in the group, no, write it down. One difference between moderates and radicals is one important 3 marks question. About that also we'll send you the notes. Yes, have it in your notebook. Okay, yes, let us end the class here, children. Take a 10 minutes break and come back with great inspiration for Soumya Mataji's class. She too is there, with all energy. You too come back with all energy. Take 10 minutes break and come back. Join the class. Thank you, children.